Good afternoon, Mr. Witness.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Mr. Welcome back to this Commission of Inquiry into Local Government Councils and Related Matters. Do I hand you over to Madam Chair? May I remind you that you are still under oath?
Mr. Jobe. Mr. Jobe. Yeah. Mr. Jobe.
Yes.
Nee na ba léegi ñu ngi laa bisimilah ba pare ñu ngi laa xelal ne da nga waatoon waat boobu moo nekk si yow ba léegi.
Mooy dëgg.
Very well.
Yeah, Madam Chair, I hand over the witness to you for us to proceed.
Mooy dëgg.
Mr. Job, welcome back. And yes, you were discharged earlier on, but we needed to clarify something so that we will allow you when you come back. We'll tidy it up.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Council, can you please proceed?
Yes, we have two issues to discuss with the witness. Madam Chair, the first is with respect to the GTRs not recorded in the CRBR. Page 37 of the audit report, that is the audit report for 31st December 2019. 2017 to 2019. National Audit Report. And the second is the issue with respect to giving monies to Modu Njai. May we proceed?
Yes. Please proceed.
Now, to start with, Mr. Witness,
Nee na fu ñooy dooree mooy. Waaw.
the audit report that I've just told you,
Nee na report bi nga xam ne def la ko waxoon.
which we have discussed earlier,
Bi nga xam ne boobu lañu waxtaanoon.
on page 37,
Nee na mooy page 37 fanweer ak juróom-ñaar.
it states, and I will read,
Nee na luñ bind loolu la moo ñëw liimal bu jàngal la ko.
findings.
Nee na findings mooy seen gis-gis bi.
GTRs not recorded in the CRBR.
Nee na GTR yi nga xam ne binduloo ko si CRBR bi.
It says reconciliation of a sample of collector's cash book
Nee na soo seetee mooy reconciliation sample bi nga xam ne ñoom auditeurs yi def nañ ko
against the CRBR
mooy ci kaw CRBR.
revealed that a couple of collectors
loolu lu mu wone mooy am na ay collectors
have not administered the GTRs
ñooñu administrateur mooy doxaluñ GTR ticket
issued to them
yi nga xam ne dañ leen jox
for both issue
nee na pour li nga xam ne pour jox ko
and retirement.
ak delloo.
I'm reading as it is written.
nee na nuñ ko bindee mu ne nuñ ko bindee noonu la moo noonu la mu laa jàngale.
Now this means such collections
nee na loolu lu mu wone mooy collection yi nga xam ne def ngeen ko wala def nañ ko.
were not administered through the CRBR at all.
yooyu moom dugaluñu ko si CRBR bi.
Do you understand?
nee na understand nga foofu leer na.
moo ngi koy dégg bu baax.
waaw. very well.
Now, just to have a very understanding of what we are talking about.
nee na léegi pour ñu mun a xelalante si kaw luñ nekk di wax.
The CRBR is where all these receipts are being recorded.
nee na soo déggee CRBR mooy book bi nga xam ne receipt yëpp foofu lañ ko dee recordé.
It's at the level of finance, correct?
nee na si loxo finance la nekk ndax.
waaw su loxo finance la nekk mooy cash.
that's correct.
And then you will have your cash book.
nee na yow sa boppa danga dee am sa own cash book.
kon dama dee am sama cost.
Yes,
own cash book.
that's
Yes,
correct.
it's correct.
So whatever you're given, it is recorded by the finance department.
nee na lépp li nga xam ne jox nañ la ko nee na dafa mel ni finance department bind nañu ko si CRBR bi.
amul benante.
yes correct.
And whatever is given to you as well, you are expected to record it in your cash book.
nee na lépp loo xam ne tamit jox nañ la ko yow sa boppa tamit luñ foog mooy wala lu war mooy war nga ko record si sa cash.
loolu moo war.
that's correct.
And this is supported by the financial manual.
nee na te soo ji kaddu bi lu mu la wax ni tamit financial manual bi daf ko dëggal.
mooy dëgg.
that's
Page
correct.
61.
mooy page 61.
And let me read.
nee na mu jàngal la ko.
So 905,
chapter 905.
it says the subsidiary cash book.
nee na lu mu mooy subsidiary cash book bi.
It says this is the cash book to be used by employees
nee na lii mooy cash book bi nga xam ne ñi nga xam ne liggéeykat yi ñoo ko war a use.
charged with the receipt of revenue
booy revenue receipts yi mooy ticket yi ngeen dee joxe pour na lépp.
and who are required to make lodgement to the main cashier
ak ñëpp ñi nga xam ne dafa war pour ñu def seen lodgement bi si main cashier bi
at council's headquarters.
si
At
council
headquarters.
headquarters.
It is recorded in serial number
nee na yooyu de si serial number bi yëpp lañ fa dee jël ñu koy record
of order of the receipts,
wala receipt bi
tickets,
ticket
license, etc.
ak leneen
And the amount received from the public
te xaalis bi nga xam ne njëgi bi nga xam ne da nga ko jot si mbooloo mi
on the day of the receipt.
bés bi nga xam ne bi nga jot xaalis bi da nga ko war a dugal foofu yëpp.
Do you understand that?
nee na leer na.
maa ngi koy dégg bi baax.
very well.
Now, if you go to the second paragraph,
nee na soo demee si ñaareel paragraphe bi.
it says extra care must be taken
nee na foofu lu mu wone mooy bàyyi xel war na am.
to ensure that all receipts,
pour nga gis ne receipt yi yëpp.
license or ticket numbers
wala ticket numbers
are entered in the subsidiary cash book
boobu war nañu ko dugal si subsidiary cash book
with evidence that
te evidence da nga xam ne lu wone ne am na.
they have been accounted for
yooyu moom dañoo wone ne loolu am na.
in strict numerical order.
te dafa war a toppate.
Sorry, in strict numerical sequence.
nee na comme mbir mi dafa war a toppate.
both as regard the books.
nee na si kaw si books yi tamit wala si books yi yëpp.
and individual receipts in each.
receipt boo xam ne ku nekk receipt bi nga ko jox nomba si fi xam ne yëpp dañ ko war a bind.
One booklet must be fully used.
nee na benn book da ngeen ko war a boobu ngeen war a doxal.
before another is taken.
bala beneen bala nga jël beneen.
Do you understand what they say?
nee na leer na.
Yes, Pastor.
Do you understand?
Yes, Pastor. I understand.
nee na loo understand si mbir mi.
Okay, thank you so much. jërëjëf. lu mu jógee wax léegi.
What you have said now.
si mbiri cash books yi.
about the cash books.
wax na dëgg.
that is the truth.
cash books yi soo ko jëlee.
if you are issued with a cash book.
moom la may won ni. moom la may won.
that is what it shows you.
because maa ngi koy gis nii fii nii.
because I'm showing it here.
dëgg la soo jëlee tickets.
It's true if you are issued with tickets.
da nga war koo def si sa cash book bi.
You have to record that in your cash book.
that ticket number bi nga jël nga joxe ko.
that ticket number that you have given.
soo ko paquetee.
if you packet them.
nga am sa $10,000.
you have your amount of $10,000.
sooy dem submit.
if you are to go to submit.
whether 30,000, 40,000, 50,000.
it depends whether 30,000, 40,000, 50,000.
moom nga day jël.
that is the one you take.
nga record ko ci sa cash book si.
You put it in your cash book.
moom ngay yóbbu.
that is the one you have to take after payment.
moom nga dem si audit.
you go to the audit.
nga ñëw sa finance manager too.
you come to the finance manager.
moom foofu nga jëlee sa ticket.
that's where you are issued with your ticket.
moom la mooy jël ne maa ngi andi 40,000 or maa ngi andi 30,000.
that is where you explain how much you brought. 30,000 or 40,000.
boobu mooy 3 packets.
that is the 3 packets.
mu jël xanaa moo tax mu enter ko waaw.
then he will take it and enter it on this.
su ko enter ba pare.
after entering.
mu jël ko mu desatu mu sign.
then he will sign it.
moom mooy sign.
he signed it.
man tam suma paree.
after when I'm ready.
suma receipt yooyu.
those receipts.
balaa ma koy clip si suma cash book bi.
before clipping them in my cash book.
moom laa dee photocopy.
those are the ones I photocopy.
man tam suma demee suma office.
if I go back to my office.
mooy cash book yi ma ko joxee moom lay binda.
I record it down in the cash book that I have given it to you.
ma jël receipt bi clip ko si cash book bi.
I take the receipt and clip it in the
bi ma photocopy.
the one I photocopied.
boobu laa dee submit every month si sun final legal sun market manager bi.
that is the one I used to submit every end of month to the market manager.
waaw because then weekly.
weekly.
sun liggéey Monday ba Sunday.
if we work from Monday to Sunday.
dañuy binda sun chart si.
you see.
chart.
our charts.
moom lañ lay binda.
that's the one we record them.
moom nga war a submit si manager mu xam from Monday to Sunday yow ñaata nga liggéey.
that is the ones we submit to our managers for him to be aware how much amount you work for.
Now, that is very clear. Now, when you have been given a GTR.
then abuñ la joxe GTR.
At that point. Whosoever is given to you at the finance department
finance department
has a responsibility to enter into the CRBR. Is that what you explained?
Yes, that's correct.
Finance manager too.
That's the finance manager.
And that person, the finance manager, will have to sign.
Finance manager bit of sign
to show that you have been given a certain book.
pour wane ne am na book yi nga xam ne dañ la ko jox.
Waaw su la joxee book yow da ngay sign.
When you are issued a book, you will sign.
Yow receiver bi da nga am pour nga sign.
The receiver must sign.
Yes. So which means if you are given a book, you must sign for it.
Nena dak lu mu mel lu mu fi mooy suñu la joxee book da nga war a sign.
Waaw da nga war a sign.
Yes.
Now what this finding is saying,
Nena waaye finding si nu mu nekk di wone
that in your possession,
ne li nga xam ne yow li nga amee sa loxo,
which they have seen in your cash book,
li nga xam ne gis nañ ko si sa cash book,
is that you were issuing out receipts,
nena yow da nga woon di joxe GTR receipts,
collecting revenue,
da nga woon di jot ay revenue lempo,
when you have not signed for those receipts.
ba pare receipt yooyu sign loo ko.
For instance,
Nena soo ko seetee
between the 1st to the 18th of April,
nena jógee ko April 1st ba 18,
you will see that TR number 2810318,
nena da nga gis number bu mu
2810
2810
318.
318.
You have used this receipt,
Nena receipt bi da nga ko doxaloon,
but you never signed for it.
nena waaye sign loo ko.
Do you understand?
Nena understand nga loolu.
Now,
Loolu la ñoo waxal.
maa ngi dégg.
again, 2811
Nena beneen bi tamit 2811
014,
014.
you have used this particular receipt,
Nena particular receipt boobu tamit doxal nga ko.
but you have never signed for it.
Nena mosuloo sign bi do.
The list goes on
Nena noonu la toppante.
all the way to the 3rd of May 2018,
Weeri May bu mu amee ñetti fan 2018.
where TR number 2819
Fi nga xam ne foofu GTR number 2819
274,
274.
that all these receipts were given to you, all these GTRs were given to you,
Nena GTR yooyu yëpp jox nañ la ko.
but you never signed for it in
Nena
the CRBR.
mosuloo ko sign wala sign la ko si CRBR bi.
Do you understand?
Nena understand nga foofu.
Waaw si. Yes. Mu ne si CRBR with CRBR.
The one you were supposed to sign.
Nena fi nga war a.
Yes.
Yes, I do.
No, I'm just telling you what the auditor said.
Mu ne loolu lam lay wax.
That you have, when they visited the CRBR, you have not signed for this
Nena
receipts.
bu ñu demee si biir book bi lu ñu gis loolu lañ lay wax mooy ñu ne yow sign loo.
Which means you were not supposed to even have in your possession these receipts in the first place because you never signed for it.
Nena lu mu wone mooy yow receipt yooyu sa warut pour nga amee ko sa loxo ndax lu tax mooy sign loo.
Do you understand what they are saying?
Nena leeral na leer na si lu mu lay wax nii.
Waaye yow li nga wax ni maa ngi koy dégg.
Yes, very well.
They gave you, and the finance manager will give you receipts.
Nena finance manager daf laa jox receipt.
And please don't laugh, it's very serious.
Mu ne lii lu fi ree.
I know.
It is saying you have done, or you may be complicit in fraud.
Nena because soo gisee mu ne la bul ree lii dafa serious luñ la tuumi mooy dafa mel ni tapale nga dugal foofu.
And no, just wait a minute.
Mu ne nga déglu.
That is why you have to take it serious.
Mu ne lii moo tax danga ko war a téye ne loo xam ne du yëfi kaf.
Because this is the finding of the auditor.
Nena lii auditor la lu mu wax lu mu gis.
Do you understand now? You yourself, you have told the commission.
Yow sa boppa wax nga commission ne.
That if you are to take these GTRs,
sooy jël receipt yi mooy GTR.
you sign against it at the CRBR.
danga ko dee sign si CRBR.
You said it here.
Nena yaa ko wax fii de.
And that's standard procedure.
Nena te loolu yoon la bi nga xam ne noonu ngeen dee doxale.
Now, the amount that they have sampled
Nena njëgi bi nga xam ne dañ ko sample.
amount to $70,000.
Nena dem na ba $70,000.
You will find it on page 37.
Nena soo demee page 37 danga ko gis foofu.
They reviewed your cash book.
Nena sa cash book bi dañ ko seeta.
They went to the finance department.
ñu dem si finance department.
They examined the CRBR.
ñu examine mooy ñu seet CRBR bi.
They realized that you had receipts that were never accounted for.
booba la ñu yëg ne am na receipt yi nga xam ne mosuloo ko sign.
That is how serious it is.
Nena noonu la mbir mi serious.
What is your response?
Nena loo am pour wax.
Thank you very much, Patrick. Kontaan naa trop. Li nga jël si li nga jël KMC si finance manager too.
Whatever you take or what you take from KMC financial manager too.
Danga war pour nga sign ko su la joxee balaa nga koy yóbbu da koy sign.
Need to sign it before taking it.
Moo tax bi nga waxee nga foog ne dama ree ne dama xaaxataay rek non.
No, this is why when I laugh, you think it was a laugh, but definitely not. Well, because I have a big doubt. It was an ambiguity. How can how you go to work, you are issued with a GTR and you did not sign? How can that be?
That is where you are implicated.
Then
You together with the finance department.
Finance department.
You have mentioned the finance manager.
Finance manager.
In law, it is a conspiracy.
Then a silu abisoko sete lo hamne dengen tafakla.
Defraud the council.
Then a pro tapale council.
It is a possibility.
Then a munna nega.
You have seen that.
Then a gisingalun.
So the idea is,
then a fofo halat big moy.
If you have these GTRs in your possession,
so ame GTRC si soko ame,
and you do not sign for it,
sign law.
You must explain
then a fofo mo walga
how you have
lolo nakala deme benga jotu you.
And who gave you the GTR? Now you have that burden to explain. You can take your time. The numbers are here. You look into your cash book. You go, we will also ask the finance manager, whosoever gave you this cash book. Because if you cannot show where you have signed for it, then it means you have obtained these GTRs illegally. Then the family GTR do you understand that? Yes. That is the finding. And the auditor went further to say that the implication is that there is a risk that receipts may not be accounted for appropriately, where it bypasses the CRBR. This is because the CRBR is used to ensure accountability of all receipts issued to collectors. It says this practice also provides opportunities to suppress collections. That will go unnoticed. You see how serious it is? Yes. Yes. There is an element of suppression of funds. On your side. Because these are collections you made in your cash. Do you understand? Yes. Very well. Now, we will leave this issue. Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you, Padre.
What you are saying, I heard it very well. This is why today, tomorrow.
What you Mr. Job, dama buga address lawyers as counsel. Counsel Patrick. Sorry, I'm speaking in.
Very
well. He is here in his capacity as counsel. So we address him as Patrick. It may seem that you are addressing him on a personal level. So you address him as counsel Patrick. Thank you for understanding.
Very well.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
So jango ti yenene luai do ko muna han wadi ma koy jagale ni elegon tam dina ko jangal
as a layman
I am very happy independently.
I'm grateful.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, counsel.
Very well.
GTR bi si luma la ko don di répéter ni batay.
GTR, as I was telling you,
be elek yow li nga wax nun
what you have said,
that
is what is written and that is what
definitely
and that is how you are to read it and that is how you are to tell me. Why where I am sitting right now here.
amul fenn li nga xam ne dinaa ko jël sign ma ko.
I have never taken anything, or I'll never take anything that I did not sign.
moo tax ma leen ne dañuy ñaame be cash book si gars yi ñoo ko ina sign na su ma demee nu seet cash book si foofu noonu yi nga xam ne dafa la binda everything at ba pare GTR li fi nii ñu jël leen everything ñu ñëw check leen ñu ñëw seet waaye GTR number doo ko jël te sign loo ko man tam foofu moom bañ naa ko.
This is why I said if I go back, I will make findings
bañ
for
naa ko
the GT.
Joe,
naam.
you know why it is very difficult to believe you?
Yeah.
And we don't even have to belabor on this issue whether we believe you or not.
Wow.
Because you will come back and we will show you the CRPR. And you can do your own findings. Be it as it may, you will have to account for this money.
Yes, well, correct.
Issue is, you testified here. You are asked by the assistant counsel. And I believe the chairperson as well. Whether you were giving money to any of the people you work with, for instance, your supervisors or the market managers. I believe you said no.
Yes. Yes.
When you were asked for whether you do pre-financing, I believe you said yes. And these are in areas where you had to clear either is it the gutters or the soakaway? Correct?
Yes.
Now, how much would you really pay or spend to clear this soakaways?
They never could get $6,000.
$6,000.
Do you know Modu Njai?
Mo's my immediate boss.
That's my immediate boss.
So you know him very well. Have he ever requested money from you to spend on issues regarding septic tank?
Well, mom like what man su legal sak weekend ni su fete su demoon ne dafa ma day call mo wax ma ne police moto ba ngay ñew fayal li suma ñe man la ko ande dama pay 6,000 moto mom la lay ne
he's the very person I mentioned here earlier on that sometimes when the soakaways are flooding and it happens in a weekend.
Wow.
He used to call me to say, now I want you to pre-finance this before the working days. So after whenever he come, he used to refund me the monies. Then I put the monies and I take it to the shop.
Have you ever given him money in any instance? For instance, in a situation where he has to do the payment himself, and you gave him money?
Then mom si bopa musunga ko jox xaalis si loxo am bi pour moom mu def fay bi wala. No, that have never. That have never.
You've been surprised. Then is to say that he has received money from you.
Then amba lol du la jaaxal Modou su taxawee fi mu wax ne mus na jot xaalis si sa loxo.
No, my bad.
Then anda lol du la jaaxal Modou su taxawee fi.
No,
I will not be surprised.
Exactly. If he comes here and testify, because we have all your statements.
Then parce que am na sa statement bi.
Modou Njie was investigated.
Nena Modou Njie dañ ko oo ñu investigate ko.
Modou Njie gave a statement.
Mom joxe na statement.
And he spoke about the relationship with you.
Nena te wax na sa diggante ak moom.
And he explained to the investigator that he sometimes will receive monies from this market master to spend on this septic tank.
Nena te moom li la waxoon ne léegoo def day jot xaalis seen loxo pour mu ko na ko dépense pour affaire si fi tax.
Mention you specifically.
Nena te yow sax moom wax na sa tur.
That sometimes you will give him money for him to hire septic tank.
Nena te wax nga ne yow am na njëli yoon yoo xam ne da nga ko day jox xaalis pour mu mun a fay mun a xëcc tank yi.
He also mentioned Musa Fall.
Wax na affaire Musa Fall.
He also mentioned Ibrahima Jaite.
Wax na affaire Ibrahima Jaite.
So why will you deny it?
nee na lu tax yaa ngi ko weddi.
déedéet wedu ma yow kàddu bi nga wax ne moom la moo njaay wax fii nii de xaalis nga wax
I'm not denying what you are repeating, what Purunjai have said here.
Just for correction, I didn't say it in the commission.
Nena pour leral wax ci commission bi de mu ne ci investigation.
All of you gave statements.
Moom lay wax ne moom moo jaay lu mu wax noonu lu parti wax noonu. Sorry, council lu mu wax noonu.
Yes.
So loolu dëgg la.
What you have revealed that is true.
Waaw because xaalis la.
Is money.
Waaw waaye lu ma koy wax ma mu taxaw ma côté xaalis jox ko loolu moo amul. Tax ma dee ne tàng baa ngay ñëw.
Waaye the allegation.
Nga fay ko su ñëwee ma jox la waaye ma taxaw ma jox ko xaalis.
The allegation that I have counted monies and handed over to him.
No.
That is wrong. Always the instructions that he is. The instructions given to me, yes, I proceed with the instructions, but I have never ever counted monies and handed over to him.
And you guys will not record these transactions anywhere.
Nena te transaction yo yi nga xamne mbir mi ni ko dugalante ken musulen ko binda.
Mo dëgg la moom moo ko dee bina moo ko dee yóbbu council nit waaye man maa moom suñu diggante su ma ne moto bi dama dee pay rek.
But
mu delloo ma suma xaalis ma dem submit waaye dëgg la man du ma dee binda.
That is true. That all these transactions I have never written them down, but only him who used to go to council and record them. But for me.
And you guys will be now requesting for a refund.
Nena te lu mu wone moy lego de yeen da ngeen den lakte pour mu delloo leen xaalis bi.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, whenever he comes, he refers us.
On several occasions, Mr. Njai will request for $30,000.
Nena lego de def den lakte ay fanweeri junni.
65. Just wait a minute. $65,000.
$65,000.
So when he comes back from accounts, he will now pay you guys back the monies you guys gave him.
Nena legi su delloo accounts boobu la def fay xaalis bi nga xam ne boobu ngeen ko jox.
Or the monies you guys have spent on hiring these septic tanks.
Wala xaalis bi nga xam ne da ngeen ko dépense pour luwaase ay septic tanks tanka yi.
No, 60,000.
I'm not saying that amount.
Okay.
Mu ne wax ne xaalis bu ay njëgi boobu.
For one individual.
Pour benn nit.
For the market masters that will either give him money.
Then I market masters yi nga xam ne dañ ko dee jox xaalis.
Or claim that they have spent money to hire septic tank.
Wala wax ne ñoom xaalis bi dañ ko dépense pour luwaas tank mu ñëw xëcc septic tank.
Yes.
Mu ne leer na.
You understand?
I understand.
Yes.
But how do you justify these monies?
Nena kon affaire xaalis bi naka lañ koy leerale?
You don't have records for this money.
Parce que binduloo ko.
You don't work for procurement.
Nena te liggéeyloo procurement.
You don't work for the in the finance department.
Te liggéeyloo si finance department.
You have no right to be spending money.
Nena yow amuloo benn warugal pour nga génne xaalis bu ñu la fay lépp nga dal di ko dépense.
Who authorized you to be doing pre-financing?
Nena kan moo la dee wax wala kan moo la jox droit pour nga def pre-finance?
My manager.
My manager.
Where is the authority?
Nena ana authority bi.
Waaw moom laa gis mooy suma authority moo dee wax ma di ko def.
That is the authority I see because whatever I had.
Manager does not even have the authority to spend money.
Nena manager bi si ko fam sax amul warugal pour dépense xaalis.
Waaw lu mu wax dëgg la manager bi amul right pour manager bi amul right pour muy jël benn xaalis muy wax ne nit ñi mu génnee xaalis.
Yes.
waaye condition bi mu ñu dee fekka kaba yaa ngi float si marché bi mu ngi dem so.
Yes, that is true. The manager that is true. The manager himself
okay.
Yes, it's true. The manager himself does not have the right to spend monies or even instruct us to spend monies. But it depends the condition it finds us because really the sockways are flooding. This is why.
So you knew.
Manager
had no authority to
manager bi si boppam amul benn warugal pour dépense jël xaalis bi wala dépense.
You knew this.
Nena xam nga loolu.
Waaw su liggéey bi la rek moo tax.
Yes.
And you were still spending money.
Nena ba léegi yow yaa ngi def dépense.
Are you the owner of the area council?
Nena ndaa yaa moom area council bi.
No.
No.
Did you employ yourself?
No.
Nena yow kon yaa jël sa bopp liggéey. No.
Do you pay yourself?
Nena yaa dee fay sa bopp.
No.
No.
Is the market your personal private property?
Nena kon marché bi sa boss la.
No.
No.
Is that your home?
No.
Sa kër la.
Is it your house?
No.
So what gave you the right to think that you can
Nena
finance?
kon yow sa boppa lan nga foog ne loolu mooy sa wargal pour nga génnee xaalis dépense ko.
Follow the problem suñu rek ñu lo musu taxam suñu nga jàng ko nga
Yeah, that is true because some
loolu dañ koy jox pour mu bañ a nit ñi bañ a wax rek mata dafa bari affaire mata dafa bari yëngatu lii rek moo tax waaye nag ni weedu mais waaye ñun tam ñu def ko rek te ñu bañ ndoxi kama bi pour ci biir marché bi loolu rek.
Yes, I knew, but sometimes it happens that something that you don't ever know, but I knew it now. But the reason why we are doing it, definitely we don't want the sockways to be floating inside.
That's not true.
Nena lulu mo soko sita do.
None of you care about the people that work in the market.
Nena yen ken ba amut hebin nya ba health ni ngam na nyaga smart.
True.
Nena lulu dega.
It's not true. You know why?
Muna luta.
Because if it was true,
nena kafe lulu dega.
You could have raised this problem in the right manner.
Nena nga gis ne problem bi dengan ko warona yobu ci yoon.
And it will be addressed permanently.
Nete da nga gis ne mbir mi dañ ko wara jagal wala da ko wara yobu nu mu wara demé.
But no.
Nena why did it?
You wouldn't do that.
Nena do
you will be solving the problem by yourself.
Nena problem bi na ko de topro yen sen bobo.
So that because it's an avenue
nena
to make money.
Nena lolu nek na yoon bi nga xamne pour fofu nga ndé mëna amé dara.
You don't account for how much you spend.
Nena do len dé bay xel sa ci ñaata la nga dépat.
You don't take any notes.
Nena do ko dé bind.
So if you say that you have spent $10,000 is to hire septic tank.
Nena légui yow soné da nga fay 10,000 pour loi safety tank.
How can that be verified?
Nena lolu naka la mo naka dañu léralé lolu.
Receipt bank ci ki manager ci loxon la.
The receipt is with the manager.
Can you not cook up any receipt?
Nena hana mo lo bind wala mun lo isi fi receipt bu nekk. Nda mun lo isi receipt fu nekk wala receipt bu nekk. Nga de bilang.
No.
It's a possibility.
Nena mun na nekk kay.
That is why you shouldn't do it.
Nena lu mo tax warlo ko def.
That is why everyone will just use the system to enrich themselves.
Nena li mo tax li yoon la pour nga gis ne ngeen mëna am xaalis ci yoon bi.
You talk about emergency.
Nena so sété def emergency.
The law provides for emergency expenditure.
Nena loi bi amna nu mu téralé pour emergency ni ko dépasser.
The financial manual.
Nena financial manual.
Page 19.
So demé ci page 19.
Section 306.
Section 306.
It says monetary thresholds in emergency case.
Nena monetary threshold ci kaw emergency cases.
And you don't have that authority.
Nena te amulo wargal bobu.
Like you said.
Comme yow sama fadu ko.
It says the monetary threshold approved by each council.
Nena monetary thresholds bi nga amne council bu nekk daf ko approve.
Shall be strictly followed by the chief executive.
Nena bobu wara nekk ku nekk daf ko wara topa ci yoon bi nga amne bu dëgër.
Except in emergency situation.
Na su nekk emergency situation.
In which payments cannot be delayed for due consultation with either the chairman.
Nena te xaalis bi wala fay bi nga xam ne warul ta waste time waaye si kaw loolu tamit foog ngeen am déggoo ak chairman bi.
That it cannot be delayed because you have to have a consultation with the chairman.
Nena nekkut ne dafa war a late wala delay because of amuloo consultation si chairman.
Or the mayor.
Wala si mayor bi.
The reason for such emergency payment shall be made in writing.
Nena waaye reason bi lu tax wala lu war a tax pour emergency fay bi mu war a am boobu foog nga bind ko.
By the chief executive.
Nena si chief executive. Nena du yow de.
And it should attach to the payment voucher.
Nena te loolu writing boobu bind boobu war nañ ko attach ci payment voucher bi.
That is the process.
Nena lii mooy yoon.
You have no authority to do it.
Nena yow amul benn wargal pour nga def loolu.
Loolu moom dëgg naa ko understand.
That is true.
All expenditures were unlawful.
Nena dépense bi nga def àndut ak loi bi.
They were illegal.
Te nekkut ne loo xam ne dafa war.
Do you understand that?
Nena yëg nga loolu.
And lastly, all the approvals subsequently claim for refund all the way to the CEO, they are all unlawful.
Nena te soo gisee laajte bi nga xam ne bi nga laajte pour ñu fay la delloo la xaalis boobu noonu loolu sa warut.
Do you understand?
Àndut ak loi bi.
Lay déggal bu baax.
Yes, I do hear you.
Jàngal na ko maa ngi lay déggal bu baax.
Yes,
I am not telling you what you don't know.
Nena nekkut la wax loo xam ne xamuloo.
I am not teaching you anything new.
Nena nekkut la jàngal fii de.
I am telling you it was a fraudulent scheme.
Nena lii yoon la bi nga xam ne yooni tapale la.
Don't sit here and pretend as if you are hearing something for the first time.
Nena bul toog fii nga pour bugga ko ñu wax ne yow lii yaa ngi koy soog a dégg.
You yourself told the commission.
Nena yow sa bopp wax nga commission ne.
That you had no right to spend the money.
Nena amuloo benn yoon pour nga dépense.
Your manager had no right to spend the money.
Te sa manager tamit amul benn warugal pour dépense.
If you had done that.
Nena kon yow soo fa ko defee.
It's a deliberate act.
Nena kon loolu loo xam ne da nga ko tey.
And it's fraudulent.
Te loolu tapale la.
That is why I said.
Nena lii moo tax mu ne la.
your other evidence
Nena sa wone bi nga am ne sa statement si.
cannot be believed.
Nena ken wala li nga wax fi ken du la gom.
Because your actions
Nena so sete sa bir mi sa jëf bi.
are deliberate.
Nena bobu mom da ko tay.
Do you understand?
Nena leer na. Yes, I do.
Thank you. Madam Chair, that's all for the witness for now. We will call the witness back in relation to the CRBR when we call the finance department to produce the CRBR to verify this information.
Mr. Job, thank you so much.
Nena beti kaw ñu la gërem jëf waay. Good.
And we will call you back. We will give you notice
Nena dinañ suñ la soxlee dinañ la bind dinañ la notice.
when we receive all the documents.
Nena suñ demee ba suñ la ko jot si kayit yooyu yëpp.
Thank you so much.
Mu ne jërëjëf waay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Very
You are discharged.
Okay.
Good afternoon, Mr. Witness. Good afternoon. Yeah, can you face that camera? Make sure you speak into the mic. Welcome to this Commission of Inquiry into Local Government Councils and Related Matters. Mr. Witness, what is your religion? Can you speak into the mic so that everybody can hear you? No, I'm not asking what tribe, what religion. What is your religion? Okay. In which language do you wish to make your testimony? Wolof. Speak into the mic, please, Mr. Witness. Can you look at me? Can you look at me? You see, I'm holding the mic close to my mouth and everybody can hear me.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, can you do the same?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Right.
Okay. Do you wish to swear by the Holy Quran or make an affirmation?
No, I just want to use my hand.
Okay, you want to make an affirmation. Okay, Madam Chair, the witness wishes to make an affirmation. Okay, then use your right hand, raise your right hand into the air and then repeat after me.
Yeah.
I, Cherno Mballow, do solemnly, sincerely, and truly declare, and affirm that the evidence I shall give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Thank you. You may be kindly seated. Madam Chair, the witness is sworn. I have the honor to hand over the witness to you.
Good afternoon, Mr. Mballow.
Good afternoon.
You are welcome.
Good.
Counsel, can we please proceed?
Yes, thank you, Madam Chair. The Assistant Counsel will lead the witness with the permission of the chairperson.
Thank you. Good afternoon. Mr. Witness, could you please tell the commission your names?
Nena lan mo sa tura sa sanda.
All of Lailaka.
Malang Laila ka.
Okay.
Lan mo sa tura ak sa sanda.
Man, my to the Cherno Mballow.
Cherno Mballow are my names.
My stay Latrikunda Savage.
And Shadi Nat Latrikunda Sabigi.
That's fine. How long have you been working for Kanifing Municipal Council.
Nena kan nga doon liggéey si Kanifing Municipal Council.
Council Pangfador 1990.
1990, I started working at the KMC.
Wow, for 1990, 1 year volunteer by 1991.
I first been a volunteer for 1 year.
Then 1991, still in my appoint.
Then I was appointed in the year 1991
as a as a car park collector.
As a car park collector.
That's fine. Do you have your appointment letter with you?
Then I'm going appointment letter. Soon letter I hope I have it here with me.
Were you confirmed?
The number definitely confirmation.
Wow.
Yes. Yes, I do.
In 2018, what position did you have?
Then at 2018, nena silo boba ban position la won nga nekon.
2018, market master.
I was a market master.
Now, do you have your promotion letter as a market master?
Nena mba am nga sa promotion letter bu wone ne legi sa place mi dañ ko yoka legi market master ka.
No, 1998 lañ ma yobu as a market master. Promote.
I was promoted in 1998 as a market master.
Wow. So Boba join ma con promotion letter. Man market master.
But at the time, by then, I was not issued with any promotion letter to show that I am now a market master.
Wow, then money rek. Okay.
I was confident verbally that today you are going to the market.
Yeah, for Elif.
To the car park, and you are going to be the leader or somebody taking care of it.
So no lafaneke.
That is how I was there.
Up to date, you were not issued any promotional letter, right?
Then I can't remember mo bente yaw jox na ben promotion letter.
Promotion letter. Yeah, Carmone.
That's fine.
No, I don't think that I have ever seen it.
Okay, that's okay. Kindly provide your appointment letter and confirmation letter that you have.
Then a legi lu war moy nga jox ñu sa appointment letter bi ak confirmation letter.
Funny.
Mr. Mballow.
You know your Mr. Mballow?
No.
Since you joined the council in 1990,
Nena binga dem si council wala binga boke simbiri council since 1990.
the offer letter was now issued to you in 2002.
Nena offer bi moy jox nañ ko dañ la ko joxon in 2002.
But understand.
I don't understand.
You said you joined the council in 1990.
Nena yaw 1990 nga join nga demon si council.
Wow.
Yes.
But at that time you were a volunteer.
You know, I wax nga fa def nga fa at volunteer.
Wow.
Yes.
So you've been volunteering from 1990 to 2002. That's when you were offered an appointment.
Nena kon lu mu wone moy joge ko 1990 be 2002 boba lañ la offer appointment wala boba lañ la jox appointment moy jël nañ la.
No, buñ ma appoint. 1991 la.
It was 1991 that I was appointed.
Because the offer of appointment letter that I'm having here is dated 2002. That's why I want to confirm with you.
Nena so gisee mo letter pour leral kat bi ko jox bi nga xamne yow sa bop wax nga ne bok moy sa appointment letter lu mu wone bes mu wone at bi mu wone.
Wow.
Moy 2002.
So in 2002 joxuñ ma symbole man 1991 lañ ma jox suma appointment letter ak confirmation bi.
I was issued with this appointment letter in the year 1991 together with the confirmation in the same year.
You were appointed in the same year and confirmed in the same year.
Bena at buñ la appoint bena at bobu lañ la confirm. Si bena at bobu la.
Si bena at bi.
Buñ la jël liggéey ñu jox la appointment bena at bobu lañ la jox confirmation. Dafa bëgg nga leeral.
Wow.
Yes.
I'm hearing that for the first time. If you're offered an appointment, a year later you should be confirmed. It can be the subsequent, but usually a year later, that's when you're confirmed.
Nena mo ko soga dega because yep lu mu xam wala ñun ñep lu ñu xam moy suñu la jëlé at bi duñ la jox confirmation at bi next year lañ la wara jox confirmation nena wa mo ko soga dega
wa xel na mun na am.
Yeah, it may be possible.
The appointment letter dated May 21st, 2002, offered to the witness, Mr. Cherno Mballow, signed by the CEO, copied the mayor, director of finance, markets manager, and director of internal audit and IT manager. And the confirmation letter dated 21st of August, 2020, addressed to Mr. Cherno Mballow, copied signed by the human resources manager, Mr. Demboja, copied mayor, director of finance and internal audit. I applied to tender the two letters into evidence as an exhibit.
Nena legi amon ñu def moy sa ñaar letter bobu appointment letter confirmation bi legi dañ ko duggal ci commission bi mu nekk serane ko de nga.
Okay.
Very well.
Mr. Mballow, the confirmation letter issued to you on August 21st, 2020 is addressed to Embassy of England, 48 Atlantic Road, Fajara, the Gambia.
So c'était confirmation bi nga xam ne wax nga ne yow lañ ko bindee. nee naa boobu bi nga xam ne def nañ ko August 2020.
waaw
adresse bu fa nekk mooy the address please.
Sorry. Embassy of England, 48 Atlantic Road, Fajara, the Gambia.
Embassy of England, 48
Atlantic Road. Sorry, Fajara.
Fajara. nee na boobu mooy adresse bi fa nekk foofu lañ ko adressé.
foofu lañ adressé lan.
na confirmation letter.
Confirmation bi.
Wow.
And it says, and I'm even seeing leave, but not that you want to visit the finance in the Costa United Kingdom. This is not a confirmation of appointment.
Yeah,
that's
why.
why.
Confirmation of appointment. Leave them.
Wow, must say.
Okay, why never confirmation? Let me see.
Oh,
I don't understand. Maybe I left it at home.
Oh. Yeah,
yeah, you are right. This is not very confirmation. I think I left it at home.
Madam Chair, we'll then have the offer letter of appointment tendered instead. Mr. Mballow, when you were appointed in 1990, you were appointed as what?
Nena buñ la appointed as in the year 1990. Nena lan lañ la appointed pour lan lan mooy sa liggéey jamono boobu.
In 1990 bi ma jëlee car park laa nekkoon.
I was at the car park.
waaw boobu volunteer 1 year.
But as I said, I was a volunteer at the time for 1 year.
Then after 1 year boobu.
Then from that 1 year.
Can you kindly speak a little louder into the mic?
Then after 1 year boobu.
After 1 year.
Si lañ ma confirm.
I was confirmed.
Then ñu jox ma appointment letter woon ma ne léegi am staff laa si council.
And I was issued with an appointment letter showing that now I am involved. I am a staff at council.
Now, do you have that appointment letter?
And that appointment boobu yaa ngi ko amee.
Ana bu nekk foofu noonu lan la lu fa nekk.
This is as market master and it was in 2002. So the first one you received, where is that one?
Nee na li market master la lu wone ne léegi market master nga 2002. Nee na waaye lu ñuy laajte mooy 1991 bi nga waxee ne boobu lañ la jël liggéey. Ana letter bu ñu la woon ne léegi jël nañ la boobu la moo laajte. Nee na boobu bokkut ak bi dafa mel ni promotion bi la 2002 pour nga nekk market master.
If you don't have it, we can the commission will give you time to go back to your personal files at the council and check it and then bring it. But there should be an appointment letter in 1991, like you clearly stated that they issued. If you don't have it, it's okay. You can go and check.
Letter boobu nekkul sa loxo fi mu ne nii mun nañ la jox waxtu nga delloo si council nga dal di ko ut ba gis ko nga dal di ko isi.
We will have this standard as an offer of appointment as a market master for 2002 instead.
Pour gàttal wax bi mooy bii danañ ko dugal si commission bi mu nekk serende waaye nuñ koy tuddee mooy comme mun pour gàttal wax bi rek mooy promotion pour woon la ne léegi fu mu ne nii dugal nañ la si market master.
Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
Now, Madam Chair, we apply to tender the offer of appointment as a market master of the witness, Mr. Cherno Mballow, dated May 21st, 2002, into evidence as an exhibit.
A letter dated the 21st of May 2002 with reference KMC/ADM/067. The letter is from Kanifing Municipal Council. It is addressed to Mr. Cherno Mballow, Latrikunda Sabiji, KMC, and the subject of the letter is offer of appointment. The letter is signed by Demboja for Chief Executive Officer, and it is copied to the Mayor, KMC, the Director of Finance, Market Manager, Director of Internal Audit, and IT Manager. The letter is admitted in evidence as an exhibit and marked as LGC/CM/KMC/001.
As the commission pleases. Mr. Mballow, as a market master, what is your role?
Nena legi zone ke market master lan moy sa warogal lan moy sa digi.
Wow. Bimane ke market master. Bimane ke market master.
When I was a market master,
dama make sure ne suma ñëwé liggéey ci suma liggéey kay.
I make sure that whenever I reported at my working place,
xale yu nekk suma ron,
the people or my juniors,
dama make sure ne ndax ñëpp ñëw nañ.
First of all, I will make sure that whether all of them are present.
Well,
if that happened,
so till because dafa supply KMC.
Because I do have a supply that I used to receive from the council KMC. Whenever I take that supply, I do go to the market.
Book.
I have my acquire book
records
where I used to enter my records.
Tickets
the tickets that are issued to me are the ones I entered in that said book. As how it was given to me at council.
Wow. So
yes.
Now, when you go to council to take this GTR books, what?
Legi so demé ci council pour jël supply bobu moy GTR books yi nga wax.
Do GTR at tickets, market tickets do ben.
I want to make it clear that the GTR and the market tickets are different.
Okay, that's fine. So how many market tickets will you normally take from council, and who do you take these tickets from?
Nina kon ticket yo nga wax ne ticket marché soko jëlé ñaata nga dé jot ci ticket yo ak ci loxo kan nga ko dé jot.
Suma demé accounts la dé dem.
I do go to the accounts.
Di ñom ñoo dé joxé tickets.
They are the one issuing tickets.
Suñ mako joxé nak.
Whenever they are issued to me,
then ma sign.
I do sign.
Pour woné né jël na supply bu ma soxla.
To assure that I have received the supply that I needed.
Who in accounts do you take this market tickets from?
Kan account mo la day jot ticket yoyu.
Koku mu fa council.
He's there, one council.
Only they just soon supply ñun yépp.
He's the one who used to supply us, all of us.
All of you, as in all market masters?
Wow, ñun market masters.
Yes,
very. Tickets.
As we are market masters, from him we do collect our tickets.
Kausu what?
Kausu naka?
Do you know his surname?
Ba xam nga santam li?
Santa be escape na ma nak.
The surname unfortunate. It escaped.
My escape. Wow.
Do you know what position he held?
Nena ba xam nga lan moy place mo la mon position la amé.
Definitely how.
No, definitely.
But he's at the accounts department.
Why is the account department la boka? That's correct.
That's fine. How many revenue collectors do you have under your supervision?
Nena yow sa gini moy sa revenue collectors nga am na ñu ci saron. Mo ne ñaata la ci ñoom? When I was at Larikunda,
8 collectors.
I have 8 junior collectors.
Okay, now let's take it from 2018.
Nena legi ñu door ko ci 2018.
Which market were you at?
Pan marché nga ne ko?
Ma ngi won marché Ngelaw.
I was at marché Ngelaw.
And how many collectors do you have under you?
Nena ñaata collectors nga amon sa ron fofa?
Boba ma ngi fa amon almost about 6 collectors because marché bi rayut.
I do have 6 collectors due to the size of the market. It wasn't a big one.
Okay. From 2018 to date, how many markets were you moved to?
Nena joge ko 2018 bente bu ñoy wax ni ñaata marché la nga jaar? That is many.
So they've been moving you how many times in a year? Or
Nena kon dañ la won di toxal ñaata yoon?
1 year, second year bi.
You go to next.
1 year, second year, then you are transferred to.
So every 2 years, Lada. Every 2 years.
Every 2 years, yes. Wow. To be precise, every 2 years you are moved to another one.
Then from 2018 to 2023, at least you are moved 2 or 3 times.
Then I joke ko 2018 by 2023 dafa melni kon si sa wax bi soko sété dañ la transfer ñetti yoon.
Okay, now when you
2018
to 2023.
2023.
Yes.
Wow.
It's many.
Now, when you go to this office, to this Mr. Kausu to get the ticket books, what sort of ticket books were you collecting from Mr. Kausu, since you said it's not GTR?
Nena comme so demee si Kausu ki nga tuddal fii ne moo la day jox book si account. Nena léegi dafa bëgg nga leeral ko ban façon ticket nga day jot si moom parce que wax nga ne nekkul ne GTR.
Market tickets.
That's the market tickets.
Wow.
And that's the payment for how much?
Nena ticket yooyu ñaata la day jar wala ñaata la soo ko joxee ñaata la lay fay bi ñaata la.
Waaw comme ticket si bulk moo fa nekk 10 moo fa nekk 10 piece of ticket market ticket 10 moo fa nekk so dañ ko wrap.
Normally a packet is 10 of the tickets but it's wrapped.
By benn ticket bi comme like nga jël benn ticket bu nekk $10 nga war a fay.
But those tickets are amount, each of the ticket is for a $10.
Okay, that's fine. Sorry, go on, please.
Each of the ticket is amount to $10
Okay.
per ticket.
Yes. Now, when you go to Mr. Kauso again, upon receiving this ticket books, as you call them, do you sign for the amount of tickets you receive from Mr. Kausu?
So the Mr. Kausu pour mu jox la ticket su la joxee ticket ba pare nee na yow lan nga dee def ndax dang dee sign pour wane ne waaw jot naa ticket waaye nangam ticket la am si Kausu.
Foofu moom musuñ fa jël ticket te doo sign danga sign.
Yes.
balaa mun laa jox ticket si daf ko teg si taabulam bi mu won la ñaata ticket la jox ba pare nga sign.
Yes, that is
gis ne sign nga ba pare.
Yes.
Tamit nga confirm ticket yu mu la jox nga jël ticket bi then nga génn.
Yes, that is obvious. Whenever you are to be issued the tickets will be placed on the table for you to confirm how many tickets is issued to you. But before handing or laying your hand on them, you need to sign.
That's fine. And have you been keeping records of the tickets you were giving to the collectors that work under you?
Nena yow léegi soo demee nga dal di génne ticket yooyu pour joxe ko sa liggéeykaay wala sa liggéeykat yi ñu nekk sa ron nena ndaa yow ta boobu tamit danga ko dee binda.
Comme li ma wax rek suma jëlee suma supply si council bi.
As I said, whenever I receive my supply from council,
amount of tickets yu ma soxla su ma ko jëlee ba pare ma dem si marché bi.
The amount of tickets that I needed, if I got them and I went back to the market,
then dama am suma choir bi fala fu ma bindee suma tickets yu man tamit.
As I said earlier on, I got my own acquire book where I do enter them.
Waaw su ma ko enter na ba pare.
If I do that after all,
then book bi am na beneen book tamit boo xam ne foofu laa dee enter tickets yi pour gars yi di liggéey.
Then I have another book different from the acquire book where I used to enter the tickets that I used to give them for them to use to work with.
Okay. Before I move forward, Mr. Mballow, what's your level of education?
Nena léegi balaa ñu continuer dañ bëgg a xam sa jànga bi fan la door ak fan la
dëgg nag man Basse la jànge.
Truly speaking, I was educated at Basse.
Wow, Basse dama commencé si suma primary school Kobakunda school.
I started at Kobakunda Primary School.
Then ma jël suma examination.
After sitting my examination.
Then unfortunately munum pass mark bi.
Unfortunately,
pass mark.
I got the average, but I could not get the pass mark, as I said.
Still at them secondary school.
Then from there, I went to secondary school.
Wow. Fofula jegale suma secondary school certificate.
That is my education. That's
fine. Then I believe you can read and write.
Of
course. Wow.
Yes, I do.
Do you remember making a statement with the investigators of this commission?
Wow. Yes, I do.
Now the registrar will give you your statement. You can go through it and confirm the contents of.
Then ki honorable registrar ki nga gis ni mom jox na la letter. Legi yow sa bopam set letter bu nda bo moy sa kadu nga xamne joxe nga ko fi as statement.
Is that the statement you made?
Nena ba mun nga ko ragne nda bobu la. Yes, this is the
And
very
you
same.
confirm the contents to be the same that you gave?
Then a card if I nda setting a little bit, you as a card, I'm the top of Yakojo. Yes, this is the very statement. These are all the contents are all mine.
Okay, haven't been confirmed by the witness, Madam Chair. We apply to tender the statement of the witness, Mr. Cherno Mballow, dated 10 June 2024, into evidence at an exhibit.
Legi amul ñoo def lu dul pour dugal ko ci commission bi mu nekk sédende pour very well.
The witness statement dated the 10th of June 2024 is hereby admitted in evidence as an exhibit and marked as LGC/CM/KMC/002.
As the commission pleases. Mr. Mballow, now, do you have your 2018 cash book with you?
Then 2018 cash book nda yang ko yore
2018. No, almost 2018 B, almost 2019 B.
No, I am without 2018 cash book and 2019 cash.
For 2022 B,
and the cash book for the year 2022, I did not have it. But apart from that, I have the other one.
So you did not have them at all, or you did not have them here with you?
Nena soko ne au mako lumulo minsi dolu da musloko am wala fumnen finga tok ni andula yoy.
No, ame fi.
What I mean, I am not with them herein.
But you own one.
Nena wa musunga ko am.
You were keeping one.
Musunga ko am.
Man musuma dencha cash book.
No, lumu mean moy. 2018.
Wow.
Be 2020 yinga hone dafa manje de am na fi ko am yang ko am mu fenen wala musloko am. Yes, it's with the council. I got them.
Yes, that's the question I'm asking. If you say I did not have it, that's why I'm asking. You didn't have it here, or you did not have it at all, as in you never have it.
For buganga lera li mota mu like that. Le ko sone awma ko ak anduma mom li nga xamne dafa uti boko. I'm sorry for that.
That's fine. So now, and the other records that you said you've been keeping whilst issuing these receipt books to the collectors under you, do you have those books as well?
Tamit fi am na li nga wax de nena si marché bi si bopam yow dang fa am ñaari book. Fi nga xamne receipt nga de jot fi ko de dugal ne jot nga ñaara receipt nga jot wala ticket comme ni ko wax. Ak fi nga xamne ticket yi nga xamne dang ko de jot te jini aussi moy ñi nga xamne ñoo nekk saron am na tamit fi ko de binda. Nena book yoyu nda yang anda ñu wala de. No.
You did not have it here, but you have it because you stated here that you've been keeping records of.
Nena fi pour watan fi amna noy demé so ne awma ko moy musloko am way anduma mom legi mu la laajte nda anda nga bug yoyu wala musloko am.
Musna ko am kay li xew moy.
Yes, I do have them, but what happened is that
record books
all these record books
and
where we used to record the tickets for the juniors.
Yeah. Every 2 years,
for that, every 2 years, as I said, when you are just posted at a market, whenever moving, you don't go along with them, you leave them there. We used to leave them there.
Wow.
In whose custody do you leave these books or records?
Nena si loho kan wala si kan nga de ngende by records yoyu wala books yoyu.
Come like su fekkene come at bini jena.
It happens whenever the year elapses.
Xam nga su transfer gene ñu ne kon at bi jena.
Whenever
next year I'm not going to replace.
Whenever you are written to say that you are going to be transferred now, then the person taking over is the one you leave the book.
Follow they buy books.
You leave all those books there. You leave them there and go.
Wow. Then
I go to another market.
So if I understand, you hand it over to the market master that will take over.
Nena prumu ler dafa melni li ngay wax ni moy kuy ñew pour remplacer la ko nga dé bay bu
dama dé bay book suñu fofu non pour mon tamit su
loolu la mo bëgg leeral nee na soo ne dama ko dee bàyyi foofu ndaa si table bi ndaa si ron table bi léegi mu ngi laa laajte ndaa ko ñëw pour remplacer la buk yooyu si moom si loxo am bi nga ko dee bàyyi
waaw comme su ñëwee ne dama ko dee hand over books won ko ne books
yes I hand over the books to
Exactly. I'm asking as in you hand over.
nee na li moo tax di benn carte bi la rek comme léegi da nga ko dee hand over ku nga xam ne moo la remplacer
duñ dee demande dara sooy dem si beneen marché doo dee demande dara foofu
whenever you are transferred to another market you don't move with anything
li nga amoon si marché bi foofu noonu
belongings what you had in that market that is left there.
Perfect. Since you are working on it, it's your records, you are moving, you do the handing over, it still form part of the records that you were keeping. Now we'll ask you to provide that records book as well.
nee na léegi lu ñuy def wala lu war lu ñu bëgg a fii mooy comme sa books la yi nga xam ne bi nga fa nekkoon yow yaa faw di bind wala yaa fawoon di record nee na léegi lu ñu bëgg a mooy book yooyu lañ ko soxla pour nga isi ñu ko ñu dal di ko seet.
And were you keeping a market register?
nee na am nga woon market register.
Market register comme lay.
nee na loolu what register you had?
Every market master are to be keeping market register.
nee na market master boo gis dañ ko dee jox book bu nga xam ne boobu mooy market register.
That's where you can have probably the number of market, the ones in areas, or it's more or less like the assessment of the entire place. Since you are the market master for a particular zone or section of a market.
Fofu because no more so they get market master moy yow yaay njiit bi fofu si collector si so da nga gis ne register bu moy wax ni moy loo xam ne lépp dox na si marché bi wala si liggéey bi foofu nga ko dee enter foofu nga ko dee recordé comme ñoo xam ne fee nañ nga xam ne ñu ngi leen amee boor
waaw boobu market register boobu noonu bi moo wax noonu ak bu deeli bi boobu nekkul benn market register mooy cantine si nga xam ne mun si marché bi te cantine si dafa am ñaari fànn mu am temporal canteen beneen bi am structural canteen.
Yes, for that the register you are asking now I understand, but it depends. It's a different thing because when you are a daily collector or a daily master market master, you are not issued with a register. Only those who are taking care of the cantings, that is temporal cantings or structures, they are the very person who used to have registration or register.
Yeah.
Thank you for the clarification.
Sorry, let me just ask him this question. So, as market master, do you keep a register?
Nena market master, nang de ame register.
Market master.
Yes.
Anga dafa depend.
No, I ask you a question.
Nena
market master.
Market master. Nang de ame register.
A register. We understand the different markets that are there.
No, understand.
We understand there are market masters that are responsible for dailies. There are market masters that are responsible for cantines, etc. We understand that. I am asking you a specific question. As a market master, you, Mr. Cherno Mballow, do you keep a register?
Nena legi puru yaw la yaw sa bopa la yaw laajte yaw Cherno Mballow comme nekk nga market master nena ba am nga woon register.
Wow. Man. Wow.
Yes.
Did you keep one?
Wow.
Okay, now we are requesting that you produce the said register.
Nena legi luñu bëgg ci yow moy pour nga isi ñu market register boobu.
Li ma mean si market register boobu noonu.
What I mean,
man dama daan collect both daily ak cantines yëpp dama ko daan collect.
I was doing both collecting cantines and market daily collection.
When I was at
Marché Ngelew. I was the one mounting that market.
La Trikunda Yiringanya.
And La Trikunda Yiringanya.
Then Manjai.
Then lastly Manjai.
My cantines with Mamalen Amewo.
All those cantines were overseen by me.
Whilst Manga made ticket daily.
And while I was to having daily tickets.
Wow, so limota mayela market register be bo manko ame no degala manko.
This is why I said
because lola damas don angwa damas dama si am responsibility side
that I am with market register because it was my responsibility too.
Yes, Mr. Mballow, thank you for clarifying for us so that we can understand.
Because that
But kindly provide the register by Monday.
Monday.
Council, you may proceed.
Thank you. You want to say something?
Yeah.
Go on.
Waaw dama doon laajte kantin boobu noonu ndax bi nekk si marché bi ma nekk marché Ngalaw si laa war a isi that register ndax lan.
I want to be clear whether it is the registration of only Marsengelo market.
Now, we are looking at our terms of reference are 2018 to 2023. Now, you check 2018, which market you were, and you produce the register. 2019, where you were, you produce the register. 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2023.
Then I fee pro gatal wabi mo joge ko 2018. Fin suñu liggéey foofu la dooree. Léegi jóge ko 2018 ba 2023. nee na register yooyu lañ soxla market boo munta nekka wala marché boo munta nekka. Waaw nga def katan sa katan nga isi ñu register boobu.
Wow.
Do you understand?
nee na leer na.
Wow,
Very well.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Mballow, now can we please have the cash books you're having? Mr. Mballow? Mr. Mballow?
Ma'am?
Thank you. I noticed that you've not been writing the documents you're asked to produce. How are you taking note of these?
nee na lu mu gis wala mu yëg mooy am na loo xam ne luñ la dee laajte fii doo ko dee binda kon naka nga mën a fàttaliku ne lii ak lii lañ laajte.
Okay.
Mr. Mballow, you have 3 books for 2020 and 1 book for 2021.
nee na am nga ñetti book pour 2020 ak benn 2021.
Wow.
Is that correct?
nee na
3 books for 2020.
nee na ñetti book pour ati 2020.
Wow.
Yes.
1 book for 2021.
nee na benn book pour 2021.
Wow.
Yes.
Now, 2020, 2018, 2019, 2020, and early 2023, that's what you did not provide.
nee na léegi 2018 2019 ak early 2023 nee na yooyu issue loo ko fii de wala wonewu loo ko.
Again, 2018, 2019, 2022,
2022
and 2023.
and 2023 nee na yooyu
4 books.
nee na ñeneen yi nga xam ne fekke wuñ wala ñëw issue leen.
mooy li ma wax 2023 bi boo man ko bàyyi si gars yi fii nii.
Okay.
For the year 2023, I left it with the guys here.
With the investigators. Then 2018, 2019, and 2022 are the ones with the council.
Then 2018, 2019, 2022, one council.
Wow.
Yes.
Where at the council?
Then a fancy council.
KMC.
I understand which department at KMC, because we need to verify.
Audit.
audit.
Yes, Mr. Mballow, I may know the answer, but I need it to come from you. So if I'm asking you the question, don't assume that I know, and it needs to come from me.
Nena
No, it
mun
needs
na
to
xam
come from you.
mun na xam tontu bi lu mu lay laajte waaye ba léegi de foog mu laajte la yow sa bopp nga tontu boobu nit ñi yëpp yëg ko ne yow yaa ko wax.
mooy dëgg
That's the truth.
Because I don't want you to say I did not say that.
Nena because pour ëllëg ak si biir pour nga taxaw nga ne déedéet man wax ma ko moo ko
non bu ko gisee
And if you say it's that audit is with Mr. A or B, he will have to come here or she will have to come here. We'll have to ask.
So ne mu ngi si audit kale moo ko amee wala kii moo ko amee kooku dañ ko o mu ñëw leeral ñu daa loolu la wala déet.
And they need to produce the book.
Nena te foog ñu génnee book yooyu.
So that is why I'm asking so that you can be specific as to where and with who.
Nena lii moo tax mu la laajte pour nga leeral ñu fan la ak kan moo ko amee.
Comme li nga wax kay yëpp dégg la.
Yes, audit department. Who?
Audit department la case bu si nekk.
Yeah, they are with on the custody of the audit.
Ba pare Basiru moom moo leen amee.
And it is under the hands of the custody of Basiru.
Mr. Mballow, do you want the commission to give you time to get this or the reports from the department?
Danga buga pro commission bi jox la waxtu pour nga mën produce wala isi books yooyu nga xam ne mu ngi si audit department.
Fii man jéggale ma fii fu ma lu ma mën a waxee fii nii am this casebooks yi nga gis ni ñun lépp képp koo xam ne market master la si council bi danga am sa.
What I want to make clear is that these books.
No, Mr. Mballow, I just made a statement. I said, maybe you did not get my statement. I said, do you want the commission to give you time to get the cash books, or do you have a difficulty or challenge in getting the cash books? So that we find out. That is what the council is trying to get at. Wants to find out where the cash books are. So if you have a challenge in getting the cash books, we can get the person concerned to come here and get us the cash books. If you don't have a challenge, we can just give you time to collect them and bring them to the commission. Is it clear?
Su fekkee ne mun nga isi books yi amuloo benn xaro wala amuloo benn difficulty si loolu dinañ la jox waxtu nga dem ut fu mu nekk wala si ki mu nekk nga jëli ko isi ko fii waa su fekkee ne pour jot book yooyu noonu si sa loxo dafa nekk loo xam ne teexateexa bu mag la kon ba léegi comme wax nga si kan la nekk ñun mun nañ topp ko ba mun a jot ne wala ñu oo ko fii mu leeral ñu book yooyu fan la nekk.
Dégg naa li mu wax nga casebooks yi nii casebooks yi nga gis nii.
These cash books in front of us.
Would you be able to get them on your own? Or they are at the audit department and you cannot access it?
Munna dem fofu nono why the person responsible ni nga xam ne dañu responsible cash books yooyu noonu ñoom xam nañ fan la cash book nekk.
Yes, I can be able to go there. But those who have the custody of those books, they know better where those books are.
Ni cash books yi man maa dem si store bi génne sime ko sama boobu ma dugg si biir store bi ak ponde boobu noonu yëpp ma saaj.
Thank you.
Ma seet la gis lii.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Mballow. Council, you may proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Mballow. Now, Madam Chair, we apply to tender 4 cash books from the witness, Mr. Cherno Mballow. 3 for year 2020 and 1 for year 2021 into evidence as an exhibit.
Registrar, can you please? Witness, Mr. Cherno Mballow maintains cash books, and these cash books are 4 in number. 3 covering the period of 2020, and 1 is covering the period 2021. These cash books are all admitted together as exhibit in evidence, and they are marked as LGC/KM/CM/KMC/003.
As the commission pleases. Mr. Mballow, do you still collect revenue? You, as a market master, do you still collect revenue?
Nena belegi yow neka nga market master nda yow sa bopa dang dem di jël lempo si lo ni.
Man maa nekk market master Serekunda fi fu mu nekk nii fa laa nekk.
Lu mooy laajte mooy.
waaw
kon mais li nga nekk
maa ngi def waaw maa ngi seetlu.
Mr. Mballow,
maa ngi resu.
most of my questions, you can say it's mostly a yes or no answer. Do you still collect? It's either a yes or no, then you can add an explanation.
Yes.
Thank you, please.
Yes.
Let's keep it that way.
Okay.
Do you still collect revenue as a market master?
Yeah.
And that was since 2018 up to date.
Yeah.
Nena jóge ko 2018 ba léegi yow sa bopa dang dem di jëli lempo si lo nit ñi.
Duma dee jëli lempo si loxo nit ñi de.
Yaa ngi wax waaw. I don't go to collect personally by myself.
Lempo si loxo nit ñi
No.
Man bi ma jógee Latrikunda.
When I left Latrikunda Sabigi,
then canteen collector la foofu noonu.
I was a canteen collector there.
Come on, daily sir.
I wasn't a daily collector, but it was a canteen collector at
Then from there, January bi laa ñëw Serekunda market.
Then from there, this month of January is the time I transferred to Serekunda market.
As a market collector.
As a market collector.
As a market master.
As a market master.
And when you were a daily collector from 2018.
Council, I believe, before we get into a new question, this is a convenient point because it's past 4. We can adjourn till Monday.
And that's fine. Thank you,
Mr.
Madam.
We would be adjourning till Monday, so we will see you on Monday. And thank you so much for coming.
Jërëjëf.
Waaw da ngaa ñëwaat Lodi. Mu ne jërëjëf si sa ñëwaay bi.
No problem, jërëjëf.
We may rise.
What you're gonna do is once the thing got red displaying in the evidence, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the video with your YouTube. That's not